हेलो एंड वेलकम। तो आप सब लोगों की डिमांड पे आज हमने जेके बोस क्लास 10th साइंस का गेस्ट पेपर जो है, जो कि हर एक यूनिट में हमने मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन चूज किए हैं, वो हम इस क्वेश्चन पेपर में आज डिस्कस करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं बायोलॉजी की। तो जो पहला लेसन है वो है लाइफ प्रोसेसेस। तो इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो है वो है, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन एंड हेटेरोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, यहाँ पे 3 हो गया है, सॉरी। Describe the process of digestion in human beings. Draw a well-labeled diagram of the digestive system. Right? Question number 4. How is the oxygen and carbon dioxide transported in human beings? Question number 5. How are water and minerals transported in plants? Question number next. What is the role of saliva in the digestion of food? Question number next. What are the differences between aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration? Next question. Describe double circulation in human beings. Why is it necessary? Important question number next. Explain the structure of nephron. Lesson number 2, that is control and coordination. What will happen at the synapse between two neurons? Question number 2. What are plant hormones? Define tropism and its various types. Question number 3. How do auxin promote the growth of tendrils around a support? Question number 4. Why is the use of iodized salt advisable? Question number 5. Why do chemical coordination take place in animals? Question number 6. Why some patients of diabetes treated by giving injections of insulin? Question number 7. Draw the structure of neuron. Next question. How are involuntary actions and reflex actions different from each other? Lesson number 3. How do organisms reproduce? Question number 1. Why is asexual reproduction? Sorry, what is asexual reproduction? What are its various types? Explain them. Question number 2. Draw a well-labeled diagram of male as well as female reproductive system. इन दोनों में से तो एक आना ही आना है. Question number 3. How is the process of pollination different from fertilization? Fourth question. What are the advantages of sexual reproduction over asexual reproduction? Question number 5. What are the functions performed by testes in human beings? Sixth question. Why does menstruation occur? Next question. Draw a well-labeled diagram of the longitudinal section of a flower. These are the most important questions, or we can say that these are the repeated questions, right? Now the next lesson, that is genetics and heredity. Question number 1. इसमें दो लाज जो है वो आने के चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा है. How do Mandela's experiments show that traits may be dominant or recessive? That is law of dominance. Question number 2. How do Mandela's experiments show that the traits are inherited independently? Law of independent segregation. Assortment. Question number 3. How is the sex of the child determined in human beings? Next lesson. Our environment. Why are some substances biodegradable and some are non-biodegradable? Question number 2. What are trophic levels? Give an example of a food chain and state the different trophic, trophic levels in it. Next question. What is the role of decomposers in the ecosystem? Fourth one. What is ozone and how does it affect our any ecosystem? Next. What is biological magnification? Will the level of this magnification be different at different levels of the ecosystem? Sixth question. What will happen if we kill all the organisms in one trophic level? Seventh question. What is an ecosystem? What are its components? Lesson number next, that is from chemistry. Lesson number first. Chemical reactions and equations. Question number 1. What is a balanced chemical equation? Why should a chemical equation be balanced? Next question exercise का ही है. Balance the following chemical equations. Nitric acid reacted with calcium hydroxide gives calcium nitrate plus water. Sodium hydroxide reacts with sulfuric acid gives sodium sulfate water. Sodium chloride reacts with silver nitrate gives silver chloride as well as sodium. Next, barium chloride balance करना है. Write the balanced chemical equation for the following reactions. First reaction जो है यहाँ पे वो है calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide give us calcium carbonate, water. Silver nitrate plus zinc give us silver nitrate plus silver. Aluminum plus copper chloride give us aluminum chloride, copper. Potassium chloride reacts with potassium sulfate plus give us barium sulfate as well as water. Question number next. What are displacement reaction? Differentiate between combination and displacement reactions. Next question. Why? What do you mean by rusting? What are the different methods by which we can prevent iron from corrosion? Define oxidation and rusting. Question number next. Carbon and its compounds. What do you mean by allotropy? Differentiate between diamond and graphite. Question number two. What are the two properties of carbon which lead to the huge number of carbon compounds we see around us? What will be the formula and electron dot structure of cyclopentane? Next, question number four. What is a homologous series? What are the different characteristics of a homologous series? Question number five. How is ethanol prepared? What are the physical and chemical properties of ethanol? Sixth question. Define oxidation and rusting. Question number seven. How would you distinguish between an alcohol and carboxylic acid? Question number eight. Explain the mechanism of cleansing action of soap. Next question. Number nine. Define the terms functional group, hydrogenation, denaturated alcohol, covalency. Next lesson, that is metals and non-metals. Question number one. Explain the meaning of malleable and ductile. Question number two. Why is sodium kept immersed in kerosene oil? Define the following terms: mineral or gangue. Question number next. What are amphoteric oxides? Give two examples of amphoteric oxides. Explain the process of metallurgy of moderate reactive metals. Differentiate between calcination and roasting. Question number six. Differentiate between metals and non-metals on the basis of their physical and chemical properties. Define electrolytic refining and electrolytic reduction. Next, acid, base, and salt. Why do an aqueous solution of acid conduct electricity? Question number two. Write an equation to show the reaction between plaster of Paris and water. Question number three. What is POP? Write its chemical formula. Question number four. What are the chemical properties of acids? Question number five. A fresh dry strip should be stored in an airproof container. Explain why. Next, question number six. What is a neutralization reaction? Give two examples. Question number seven. Write a short note on washing soda and baking soda and give their important uses. Question number eight. What is bleaching powder? How is bleaching powder prepared? What are its properties? Question number nine. Define pH scale, alkali and aqua regia. Ab physics, chapter number first, that is light. Question number one. Define center of curvature, pole, radius of curvature, principal axis, aperture of spherical mirror. Question number two. Explain principal focus and focal length of concave and convex mirrors with the help of a suitable diagram. Question number three. Image formation in concave mirrors and convex lenses when object is placed at different positions. Next, uses of concave and convex mirrors. Question number five. Sign convention of spherical mirrors and lenses. Question number six. Why do we prefer convex mirrors as real view mirrors in vehicles? A concave mirror produced a three times magnified real image of an object placed at 10 centimeter in front of it. Where is this image located? Question number 8. Explain refraction and its laws. What are the conditions of no refraction? Question number next. Refraction through a rectangular glass slab. Question number 10. Define power of lens. What is its SI unit and define that. Question number next. The refractive index of diamond is 2.24. What is the meaning of this statement? Now इसके बाद question number 12 जो है example 1.1 and example 1.2. Example 1.4 on page number 10, 21. वेरी वेरी मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ठीक है क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 जो है एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 on page number 25. Now lesson number 2, that is human eye. Explain the construction and working of the human eye. Question number 2, what is meant by the power of accommodation of the eye? Question number 3, what is myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia? How are these defects corrected? Explain with the help of diagrams. Why is a normal eye not able to see clearly the object placed closer than 25 centimeter? Question number 5. Why do stars twinkle at night and planets do not? Question number 6. Why do we see a red sun at sunrise and sunset? Why can the sun be seen 2 minutes before actual sunrise and 2 minutes after actual sunset? Question number 7. Why is the sky dark instead of blue as seen by astronauts? Explain Explain the dispersion of light. How is a rainbow formed? Now, lesson number three, electricity. What is electric charge? Define its SI unit. Question number two, what is potential difference? Next question, define 1 volt. Next question, explain Ohm's law and give its experimental verification. What are the physical conditions necessary for the trueness of Ohm's law? Calculate the number of electrons in one coulomb of charge. Next, advantages of parallel circuits over series circuits. Question number seven, calculate resultant resistance and when resistances are connected in parallel and series. Next, what is resistance? What are the factors on which resistance depends? Explain each one in brief. Question number nine, an electric motor takes 5 ampere from a 220-volt line. Determine the power of the motor. And next question from magnetic effects of electric current. Number one, properties of magnetic field lines. Question number two, asserts experiment rules to find direction of magnetic field. Question number three, magnetic field due to a current carrying solenoid. Question number four, force experienced by a current carrying conductor placed in the magnetic field kicking wire experiment. Question number 5, motor principle. Question number 6, Fleming's left hand rule. Question number 7, live wire, neutral wire, and earth wire. Question number 8, why does a compass needle get deflected when placed near the bar magnet? Question number 9, why do magnetic field lines not intersect? Question number 10, what is the function of earth wire? Question number 11, name two safety measures commonly used in the electric circuits.